Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video on the 2023 Subaru BRZ. Today we're going to be talking about the Bluetooth system in this car, which I believe just got an update, because for the first time ever I am able to play music without these guys. Yeah, so just to demonstrate, this is the only USB port in here, by the way. I'll just leave it dangling right there. We're going to go to media, and you can see I have music here. Now I can't play it because I'd get copyrighted, but I got my full playlist here of music. So yeah, I mean, I listen to a lot of Mandarin type of music and Japanese and Korean. But anyway, I got my full playlist here and it is not plugged in. You know, it caught me by surprise because honestly, I did not see this when I first got the car. Well, it definitely didn't work when I first got the car. I'll also show you a sound clip, and it's amazing because you know what? This did not work the first time I got the car. I tried everything to make this thing work and it didn't. And of course, everyone else on YouTube, they had to use a wire or a Bluetooth adapter, which they had to set up. So this is very interesting to me. I have no idea how this happened. I didn't see any updates on my phone. I didn't see any updates in the car, so I have no idea when this was even a thing. It was so random, it just happened out of nowhere, and I'm like, oh, wait, I don't have a USB plugged in. Why isn't my music playing? So I definitely want to make a video for you guys and update you guys that it now works. I guess it should be working for everyone, I hope. If you guys want to know how to set it up, just simply connect your Bluetooth and go to Media, and then go to Manage Devices, and you guys can select the name of your phone and connect it, and it should start playing your music. You also have different types of settings here for your sound. You can customize your sound if you like. You know, normally would with the USB cable, but now you could do it here with just Bluetooth. Awesome, right? I don't know, I thought that was pretty cool. Again, I didn't see that before, so it's cool to me. I don't know. Now the sound is a bit different if you plug it in. It's a little bit louder with it plugged in than it is through here, and I don't know why that is. So there was more proof and a little bit of some non-copyrighted music for you guys playing. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, hit that like button, guys. Subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you want to stay up to date with some BRZ content, comment below if you guys have any questions at all. I will make a separate video on the question if the question is a topic that I can talk about. And that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching, and peace out.